Of course,
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry. Those are great. I never saw those.
That one I can do 15. Or no, I can do 10 on that one. I'm not too sure.
Sorry.
Boots are 20.
20?
Yeah.
Cool.
Just trying to make space.
I can see you rocking those.
Yeah, I love
These are just awesome.
Yeah, the
They
fur.
are So 11. Hold up. What are you asking for them?
15.
My stepson's at 11. I don't know if he has the balls though. I would if I were him.
I could do 10 on that one.
How much?
10.
Not going on.
They fit you?
They won't go down.
Oh, well, that's not good.
60 for the set.
9.5. It just won't go past that where this thing is.
Who would say always get a half size bigger? Just because, yeah, it's.
I got the vintage over here if you want to look at it. Yeah, 60 for the set.
Were these yours at one time?
No, they weren't.
No?
No, I just sell secondhand stuff.
They won't. For some reason, my foot won't go past that point.
You want to maybe try the other one?
I can't just wear one.
No, I know, but I don't know. Maybe there's something wrong with that one that's causing it.
There's always a reason.
You know, on eBay they sell like amputee shoes, like just 1 foot.
Oh, yeah.
Like a lot. Like
Yeah.
you put like amputee left foot shoe. whatever
Yeah,
shoe,
yeah,
and,
definitely.
Like, brand new shoes and like an.
Or some people have, well, everyone's foot is a little bit bigger, but some
Right.
people, it's like a half size or even full
That's right,
size.
yes,
Right.
that's
So you have to
right.
buy like a
My
right
husband's
foot and a
actually
left.
Like that because he had a motorcycle accident, so they had to, you know, one of his feet is a little smaller. Yeah.
Yeah,
Jordan had that issue. You wore 13 and a 12.5.
that one's not that bad, but imagine having like a 9.5 and a 12.
Yeah.
That'd be crazy.
Yeah. That would be fucking insane. You gotta buy 2 pairs of shoes, man, regardless.
Yeah.
That shit would be whack.
How you like that? What? For your room? That can't go in the middle room.
Set is 60.
It can't.
I think like the best shirt is the 92 Jurassic Park.
How much did you want for that one?
The twins offered 30.
The older twins?
Yeah.
I haven't even seen them.
We'll just throw it in their shop.
Yeah. I remember these shirts. Chuck Norris. Oh.
It's a set. You can either stack them, you can put them side by side.
On shoes?
You could. I was using it for underwear and clothes.
Okay. How about this one?
That one's 40. It's a nightstand. 10. Yeah. All the Levi's are 10. If you get more, I'll do better. Non-Levi's are 5. I'll do 30. And then I have these. I was doing $1 each, or $5 for the pair, I guess. Beautiful. Thank you.
That's the only one you got.
Yeah, sadly I do. I have a Publix bag. I don't know if you want to try to fit it in it. Yeah. Make it work. Yeah, better than nothing.
You don't leave it.
No. Yeah, I'll save it for you. The Levi's are 10, non-Levi's are 5. So the Wranglers are 5. If you get a bunch, I'll do a bundle deal. I go free diving, so I'm moving to Colorado. Don't need it anymore.
How much free diving out there?
No.
Lake.
Sadly, there isn't. That's one thing I'm gonna miss is the bugs and spearfishing.
Yeah.
You know.
I started to get in free diving, took the course. Never opportunity to free
Level
dive
one?
after that. Huh?
Level 1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
4 seat.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, it's kind of more scary than anything. It kind of like put me off of free diving, you know, with all the safety stuff involved, you know, one up, one down.
Yeah, you know, I've had people black out in 5 feet of water. You know, it's scary. It's scary, but
Yeah, I'll just stick to scuba diving.
yeah, exactly, exactly. You don't have to worry about that.
You think you wouldn't be as safe as scuba diving, but I don't know.
Yeah, no, I mean, when you're 30 plus feet and, you know, you don't realize that you got to make it to the surface, you know, you're just waiting it out. And then, like I said, I've seen people, they're going up and about 5 feet, they just black out, you know? So it's scary. You got to have dive partners.
I've been diving, scuba diving for about 40 years. I've never had any issues like that, so I'll just
Wow.
stick to that. You know?
Yeah, definitely.
See ya.
Have a good week.
Shoes.
5,
You have volley in the
5, 5, 10, 10, 10, 5.
Down from that.
If I put both, people take them. So you can only put one out.
Yeah. Something. On achète ça pour 5 $. Comment on peut faire avec Haïti?
Good condition.
What do you about this?
50.
Rimel. Comment est là? Amos.
60 for the set. 30 each.
Pourquoi pas Rimel? Dis-nous, on hand pour aller chercher. Son hand pour aller chercher pour poder.
Yeah, it's so heavy.
Made in Italy.
I'm coming, buddy.
Okay, yeah, I'll put it to the side. $60 for the set, 30 each.
How much for the
I can do 15. 15. The Levi's are 10.
$10?
Yeah. If you get multiple, I'll do a better deal. You want it for 10? The jersey?
You sure it's good like that? I don't think so. It's for me for this way. Yeah.
Good. Thank you. Enjoy.